Turnkey Equestrian Farm. Welcome home to this 40+ air conditioner farm with a fully renovated 3-bedroom 2-bath 2,508 square feet farmhouse, 3 barns, covered riding arena, detached garage workshop, and 60 round pen. This circa 1902 renovation includes, from 2009 or later, electric, PEX plumbing, windows, roof, kitchen cabinets, granite counters, stainless appliances, Rinnai on-demand hot water system, 4x8 custom Canadian walnut kitchen island. Additional home features consist of generous master bedroom on the second floor with mountain views and 2 closets, 2-bedroom and full bath upstairs, main level bedroom, laundry room, mud room, pantry, main level full bath, hardwood and tile flooring throughout, Hearthstone soapstone woodstove, striking original plank wood ceilings in living room. Exterior of the home boasts the following: sizeable covered front and side porch, original ice house that matches home, stone fire pit.